Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to glaze a sculpture when you're finished with it. I generally use floor wax, and if you're tight on the dollar, you can use shoe polish. That's black shoe polish. That's pure white floor wax, which I like. You can get a yellower tinge for cheaper, and that's all it creates is a tinge, a mess. So now I'm going to try an Illustrator. It's already been heated for about 5 minutes. And now I use a spoon. I like to use a spoon to put it on. Gotta try and do it while he's hot. Toothbrush is always handy. Whoa, to get it in there. It's a little hot. It's coming along pretty good. Yes, the white is the best because it comes clear. And there he is. There, he's finished. The Birdman.